Hello, I'm Oguzcan from Turkey. I'm currently a first-year master's student in Folkloristics and Applied Heritage Studies. Today I'm going to answer, I will pick some questions and try to answer. I chose University of Tartu because after I finished my bachelor program in political science and history, I was looking for a more humanitarian-oriented program, like social anthropology, but I want to combine it with history and politics, and culture. I made the research in I was focusing on Europe, I wanted to study in Europe, and I made the research. I found some universities in here, in Italy, in other places, but I applied to all of them, but then at the end, University of Tartu won because the program is really good, the professors are amazing, and I felt that I can learn a lot in theoretical part and in practical part. So I think it's I felt that University of Tartu will offer me a good environment to develop my skills and for my future. So that's why I chose University of Tartu. So since I'm a first-year student, my favorite course so far is the theory course about our program. It's an introductory course because it's my first semester, but I felt like I learned a lot. And there's another course like data collection and methodology. So we learned how to make a field work, how to interact with people, what kind of questions are we going to ask, how can we be careful about the ethical issues while we are doing an interview with the community. So these things taught me a lot because I can be more careful and more academic during my fieldwork and my future projects. So I think I learned a lot thanks to these two courses so far, on both theoretical and practical part, which is very important for me. You can find anything any sports activities, for instance, like ice hockey, bowling, billiards, ping pong, football. In order to, if you want to join a student club, there are many opportunities like debate clubs, theater club, movie clubs. So there are many things to do in Tartu. It's not definitely in your spare time you can find something to do in here. I like discussion-based courses because it helps you to you learn a lot, and then you manage to share what you learn with the students and with the professor. And in here I noticed that the courses are not lecture-based but discussion-based. So I do as I told you, I do discussion-based courses because it helps you to improve your speaking skills, your knowledge, and by only listening lectures, I think you learn less. You just memorize it basically, but by doing discussions, you have a chance to practice what you learn, and you learn from other people as well. So as a student in folkloristics, human interaction is very important for us, human communication and communication skills. So discussion-based courses are very useful in our program, I believe. Actually, I'm dealing with this question right now. We have a lot of opportunities, exchange programs outside of Europe, United States of America, Australia, Asia, Japan, South Korea, China, Russia. But I think I will focus more on Erasmus Plus exchange program, and there are many opportunities. I checked yesterday, and you can go to Lithuania, Latvia, Finland, Ireland, Greece, Italy, Turkey. You have a lot of opportunities depending on your program, but in folkloristics, like they offer you many places to go, and I think I will choose a Mediterranean country because it will be more it will make more sense because it will fit in my thesis, I guess. And also, like University of Tartu offers a lot of Erasmus traineeship programs. So if you don't want to spend your one semester abroad, you can go to an internship program for 1 month or 2 months during summer or on winter break. So I think it will be beneficial, and there are many options. So and the professors will help you a lot in your selection process. Yes, because of my program, like we visited these villages in Estonia, and we talked with people. We learned a lot about the traditional Estonian music and the modern Estonian music. And when you go to a place, a bar or a restaurant, like you can see some bands are playing Estonian music. So yes, I do listen Estonian music, and like especially the traditional Estonian music is very interesting to listen. Like it has a very different and great vibe. I'm quite happy with everything, but I wish to know maybe one more language, because like since I'm from Turkey, and like I think learning a language is a great way to interact with people, because our program is focusing on interaction with individuals, like the community. Like so, in order to talk with them, like you have to speak their language. Like it's because language barrier is a quite serious problem sometimes. Like you have translators, but like when you are doing a field work, it's better for you to speak your own language, like speak the language that they speak. So it would be better if I learn one more language. And actually, I'm learning it right now, but I'm not on the native level. So, but the good part is University of Tartu like offers very different like language programs, like language courses. So I took one of them, and like I'm trying to develop my Greek and French right now. Yes, they are available. As I told you, like there are Erasmus plus traineeships. You can do internships, and also like you can contact with some organizations, international organizations, or organizations in your country related to your field. And the university and the professors will help you to get contact with them, and they encourage you to go and do your internship. And also in our program, like there's in order to write our thesis, we have to do field work. So still, like the university will help us to arrange those field works, like in order to get permissions to do the field work in the area, or like creating a contact with the people, with the university in that specific area. So in the first semester we had a course, like master seminar course, and that's how I found those opportunities, because like the professors inform you about your like pathways. Like you can in our let's say program, you have two paths. One is the project, one is the thesis. Project is more interactive, and you will create a project about anything you want, like related to folkloristics and cultural applied heritage. And in the other part, you have to write a thesis with the fieldwork. So I think, and in the course, in the master seminars course, they inform you about your opportunities, like what can you do. They show some past examples what the other students, like the graduates, did before, and so you develop a better idea about like what you're gonna do for the internships in the future. Mostly I walk, and I only use public transportation for 2 times actually in here since I'm here, because like as I told you, like you can walk to everywhere and see the museums, like cultural activity, like you can join to the activities, the cultural activities, festivals and everything, and mostly they are very close to the city center and the dormitories, student dormitories and the university. So I think it's quite easy. Yes, I'm very happy about it because like first of all, the city is amazing. Like it's small, you can walk to everywhere, which is a really good part because I'm from a big city, from the capital, Ankara, and like now I can like if I want to go to cinema, I can go there. If I want to go to school, like it only takes like 10 minutes of walking. It's great, and like the city Tartu is very student oriented. Which is very important for me, like because like you feel like you are the center in this small city, and like you manage to attend a lot of activities outside of the university or inside of the university, and so I think the city and the university like gives you this opportunity in this particular case, and that's why I'm quite happy. Like it's very peaceful, but at the same time like happy and fun environment.